So you're in the grocery store and you're about to check out, right? You look on over, you see a magazine that says, you know what, you're gonna build those abs today. Why don't you go in the gym and do 1,000 crunches? And that's what I say, you're 100% wrong right there. So it really doesn't matter what you're gonna be doing in the gym for abs, because abs are gonna be made in the kitchen, and those results, when it comes to the stomach, are gonna be made outside the gym. So when it comes to your meal prepping, when it comes to hitting your protein goals, when it comes to being in a caloric deficit, those are things really gonna matter when it's talking about defining abs, not really doing 1,000 crunches. Because you could have the strongest abs in the entire world, but if you got a little bit of belly fat over those abs, no one's even gonna notice. So instead of doing those 1,000 crunches in the gym to get your abs, how about we make the time and set aside making 1,000 meals for the entire year, and that's how you're gonna get your abs. Because they're not gonna be made in 6 days, they might not be made in 6 months, but they might be made in that entire year. So get your butt in the kitchen and put the work in, and that's how you're gonna get those abs, not the 1,000 crunches. Myth gone, let's go.